Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should hit the subscribe button right now. It's the red one, you know, down below. Also hit the bell. Okay, let's get back to this video. Hey guys, Aubrey here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Girl's Guide to the Drugstore. Roll that intro. So we are back with another episode. I am super excited and pumped. I am very like natural and minimalist today. I hope you guys are totally like cool with that. I'm like in my workout clothes and I did kind of like a fresh glowy look. I don't have any foundation on, just a little bit of like concealer and a ton of glowy products. So being on the topic of glowy and smooth skin, we are talking about this face primer today. So on days that I don't like to really wear a lot of makeup, which is what I'm wearing like right now, it's very simple, but I really like to make my skin glow. I want to have like smooth looking skin, hydrated looking skin, and also just glow from the heavens. So days that I don't wear makeup, I really like to keep it simple. Like I have it today is pretty much what I really like to do, and it's just very soft. It's super easy. It's very, very quick. So this guy is called the Prime and Fine. It's a smoothing, refining, I almost said powder. No, it's a primer. And it says kills pores on the front. So I'm gonna say right off the bat, like this is $7, and it comes in a container. You get less than an ounce, so it's 0.49 ounces. So, you know, there's that. And it was made in Poland, it says on the back, which is really cool because I'm Polish. So I'm like, hey. So first off, I'm gonna say like the packaging is really cute. It's very like sturdy and good quality. The only drawback is that it's a jar and you have to put your fingers in there, put it on your face, and then you have to go back into it. So it's kind of like, it doesn't seem as sanitary. I mean, if you have like really clean hands, like you wash your hands before you do this, and it's kind of messy. So that's kind of annoying. I do wish this was in some type of like a squeeze tube container. So the consistency of this stuff though, it's like really solid in there. This is very different. I'm just gonna scoop some up. It almost feels like a really thin, kind of like a creamy yogurt. Does that even make sense? I don't even know if that makes sense, but it has the most like creamiest feel, and it feels a little like silicone-y, where it just feels like really like slick, but it also feels like creamy like yogurt. And so what I love about that part of it is that it melts into your skin like so easily. So basically I just take this and I'll put it like in the areas, because it's supposed to help, you know, kill pores. So I'm just going to show you guys, since I'm not wearing foundation. You just put this in the areas that you want to like kill pores basically, and any shine. And someone keeps texting me. So basically I put this in the T-zone because I have oily combination skin. And so I just put it right there in the center on the forehead, and then on the nose and the chin. And what I love is that it's not like, it's not greasy. You know what I mean? Like it has a little bit of slick to it, and you might think by the feel of it, it is greasy, but it's not. And it just blends into the skin and it like melts like butter, and it's so like moisturizing. So it says on here it's supposed to like kill the pores, and honestly it does fill the pores. I have a lot like on my nose, and kind of like going up on my forehead, and this does a really good job of like really blurring it out. But I would say that this doesn't help like the longevity of your foundation that I've noticed. Like when I put this on and then I put my foundation on, like it just doesn't matter. I have to really, really set my foundation with powder in order for it to like last long. So I didn't notice anything that had to do with like longevity with this primer. So the consistency just like melts into the skin. It feels like it could be like kind of greasy, but when you put it into your skin and it just warms up and it melts like right in, and your face doesn't feel greasy, it doesn't look greasy. So I love it for that. So I really like to put this even when I'm not wearing foundation. I'll put it just in my T-zone to kind of just like blur effect, you know what I mean? Sometimes I'll put it like on the sides of my cheek just to kind of like give that skin like the illusion that the skin is a lot softer and more blurred out, which is always a plus. So if you guys are looking for a good everyday type of face primer, whether you have dry, combination, or oily skin, I recommend it. Try it out, see what you think. It's only $8, which is awesome. So I'll have this link down below for you guys if you want to check it out. And hey, if you are not subscribed to my channel, you should subscribe right now. And also, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and hit that bell. Remember, you are amazing and you are loved. I will see you in the next video. Bye.